So yeah, please subscribe to MWB TV and DaddyTravels, and make sure to press that like button on both Facebook and YouTube. So here they guys, I've managed to bring the winged beans back from the Philippines, the Zama City that MWB give me. I've soaked them in water for a little while, and now what we got here, the little seeds from inside, and then I've just got to split these open and get every little seed out, and then we can germinate them just over here in the tissue like that, and then line them up in different bits of tissue and wait for them to grow a root. So I'll be the first British person in the UK to be able to grow these and have the pleasure to grow these. So let's see the progress over the months as the summer and the spring comes in the UK. So please subscribe, like and comment guys. Really appreciate you for this. See you soon. So as you see guys, in the middle here, it's all the seeds. There's so many to germinate, so I'm going to have to get some more tissue. There's so many in there. So this, and I've got another whole pod here. So yeah, we're going to have a load to grow, and then hopefully we can introduce these into the UK. And it's an unusual crop for any British person or even Middle Eastern to see, because I think they only grow these in the Philippines. No one has ever tried to grow these in the UK unless it was a Filipino. So we will see that information soon guys. I will look this up, but I'm pretty sure I will be the first British person to grow these. So let's keep on going, and I will stick all these into the tissue paper. So as you can see, I'll put 4 in this one and put another towel over it, germinate them on this one.
Oh, that's right. It's serious. Look at that big one,
Yeah. Big one. So we have took everything out, all the pods, all the seeds out of both, and a little half one underneath as well, like this. So yeah, and now they're all in germinating. So yeah, thank you bro. I will plant these once they have grown a root, and yeah, we'll see how they turn out in 4 months time, and then see if we can just carry on growing them and growing them and growing them and see where it takes us. So thank you so much, and make sure to like, subscribe to all our new latest videos guys. Our travel in the Philippines, where these came from. So yeah, now I've stuck them all in the tub. There's 4 layers in there. Germinating. These are the wing beans when they have been left for a little while. They're normally pure green, and the reason they're called winged beans is because they've got these wings on there like this. They're like our green beans, but they got wings on them. So yeah, these are not really seen in this part of the world, so I'm really excited to grow these and show you guys what they're all about, and see if you like them yourself. And we might be able to send some to you in the post or however else. So yeah, thank you, and we'll see you in the next one guys. Mr. Wing Bean.
Yeah.
And we're now going to go around the city and distribute all our business cards to the locals. Yes. So join us on our vlog guys.
Okay, your message bro.
So we just attended the Holy Mass on Sunday in Ozama City in the Philippines. It was a very good mass, and it was good to experience the Bisaya version. Maybe next week we will experience the English version if our friend will come on time.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so please subscribe, please like and comment, and follow all our vlogs this week.
Yes, guys.
Hello guys, we are now at Essential Garden, Hoi Hoi. We are in the mountain. As you can see, we're in the clouds. So join us as we go and see the viewpoints.